Look at me. I can sing. Look at me. I can sing and read. Look at me. I can sing, read, and write. One hat goes on its nose. It becomes a funny duck. Two mittens go on its ears. It becomes a funny bunny. One sock goes on its face. It becomes a funny cat. It is my favorite puppet. One hat goes on my nose. And tell me how I look. Quack. Quack. I'm a duck, and I can sing. Quack. Quack. I'm a duck and I can read. Quack. Quack. I'm a duck and I can write. Quack. Quack. These are my friends and we are all funny ducks. We are 5 hats. We are 5 balloons. We are 5 candles. We are 5 gifts. Surprise! We are 5 years old. Happy birthday!